I didn't delete YouTube. But I knew something had to change when 5 minutes kept turning into 2 hours. The problem wasn't the app. The problem was that I was opening it without thinking. So I stopped treating it like an enemy and started treating it like a habit loop I could redesign. First, I added friction. My phone no longer stayed next to me when I was tired, bored, or stressed. Then I cleaned my feed. I unsubscribed from anything that pulled me into endless scrolling. Before opening the app, I wrote down one reason: learn, relax, or search. No reason meant no opening. I replaced the first urge with something small. A book, a walk, water, or just sitting still for 1 minute. I still used YouTube, but with a timer. The goal wasn't perfection. The goal was control. After a few days, the craving got weaker. Not because I had more willpower, but because I changed the system. You don't always need to delete the app. Sometimes, you just need to stop letting it decide for you.